So today I'm going to talk about mobile apps in the classroom. I primarily work with kindergarten, first grade, and second grade, so these are the apps that I will be choosing to do that work best in these classrooms. The first app I'm going to go over is Starfall, and it is a classroom math class and reading class. And it also has sorting games in there, which is especially important for kindergarten because they're just learning how to use a computer, doing math and reading in the same day. And this has question marks, and you can click the question, and it does step by step for the children. And it's a great beginning tool for kindergartners who have never used a computer before, and they will have to use it later in the next semester for Dreambox, which is an app that our school uses altogether. We use this app especially in reading stations and math stations just to get the kids familiar with the computer. Dreambox is the next app I'm going to talk about, and this is the application that we use in school-wide. So in kindergarten through fifth grade, they will be using this, and it is only for math. Students have points that they can earn on how well they do a math lesson and how many they do. And if the whole class does so many lessons, then you can get points for your class, and then the teacher can reward them with like a popcorn party or movie party. Dreambox is awesome for elementary students, or all students really, because if a student is struggling with math, the teacher can go in and edit those math problems and make them more based on that student's needs. So it's very individualized, which is I like, and you can see the children's growth as they use this tool. Splash Math is the next one. We also use this in kindergarten and first. It's for math only. It is used individually. It teaches students that math skills and review for lessons we have already learned in math. So it's kind of just like a review for what we learned previously that day. We also use this in math stations, and we have about 2 or 3 students at a time at a computer during math stations. And it's just kind of a review of what we did that day. So these are the type of apps that we use in our school.